So welcome. This is a exercise based on integrals, substitution, all the past paper questions from the previous years, and some exercise questions also based exclusively based on substitution. So first question, integral of 5 power x dx. So we shall do it out from basics to the higher level. So it becomes 5 power x upon ln 5 plus c. Then integral of x cube becomes x power 4 upon 4 plus 3 power x integral is 3 power x upon ln 3 plus c. Integral of secant square x is tan x plus c, and integral of tan square x plus 1. It can be written as integral of secant square x. Tan square x is secant square x. Tan square x plus 1 is secant square x. Secant square x integral is nothing but what? Tan x plus c. Now it becomes 5 secant square x. 5 secant square x dx, so it becomes 5 tan x plus c. Now cosecant square x integral is minus cotangent x plus c. Then cotangent square x plus 1 can be written as cosecant square x. Integral of cosecant square x is minus cotangent x plus c. Then this becomes 5 cosecant square x dx. Cosecant square x dx will become minus 5 cotangent x plus c. Now secant x tan x integral is secant x plus c, and cosecant x cot x integral is minus cosecant x plus c. That's the first. So we are starting to learn the formulae now, revising the formulae, then proceeding further. Now we'll use the formula 1 upon a square plus x square dx is 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a. This is a formula. Everything should be converted into that form. So over here, what can I do? This 16 can be written as 4 square. So it becomes 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a, x upon 4 plus c. But you can still see that 7 is there. So 7 upon 4. Similarly, this is integral of 7 upon 1 square plus 4x whole square dx. So it becomes 1 upon a, means 7 is already there. So 7 upon a tan inverse x upon a, 4x upon 1 times chain rule 1 upon 4 plus c. So that's going to be the answer. 7 upon 4 tan inverse 4x. Now how do I write this one? Integral of 7, take it outside, 1 upon 5 square plus 4x whole square dx. So it becomes 7, 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a, then the chain rule divided by 4 plus c. So what am I writing in red color are the most important steps which most of the students will tend to forget to write. Now 7 outside, integral of 1 upon square root of 2 whole square plus x square dx. So it becomes 7 upon root 2 tan inverse x upon root 2 plus c. That's going to be the answer. Now how should I do this one now? So 7 outside, 1 upon root 2 whole square plus root 3x whole square dx. So what does it become? 7 upon a tan inverse x upon a root 3x upon root 2 times, therefore 1 upon root 3 times 1 upon root 3 plus c. This is going to be the answer. So you can further simplify and write it out. That's going to be the final answer. Now the next formula that we are dealing is root of a square minus x square dx is sine inverse of x upon a. So this becomes 4 square minus x square. So 7 sine inverse of x upon 4 plus c. Now this can be written as 7 1 upon square root of 1 minus 4x whole square dx. So what does it become? 7 sine inverse of 4x, but don't forget to divide by 4 plus c, chain rule. Now how do I write this one? 7 outside, 1 upon square root of 5 square minus 4x whole square dx. So it becomes 7 upon 4 sine inverse of 4x upon 5. So So sine inverse of x upon a plus c. So times 4x derivative is 4. So don't forget to write divide by 4. Now how do I write this one? 7 integral of 1 upon square root of square root 2 whole square minus x square dx. So what does it become? 7 sine inverse x upon a, x upon square root of 2 plus c. Next one, 7 outside, 1 upon square root of square root 2 whole square minus square root 3x whole square dx. So it becomes 7 upon square root 3 sine inverse root 3x upon root 2 plus c. That's going to be the answer. That's question number 3. Come to question number 4. Factorize x square minus 10x plus 24 and express this one in the partial fraction. So 2 upon, it can be written as x minus 6 times x plus 4. So what are the partial fractions? Part A, 2 upon x minus 6 times x plus 4 equals to a upon x minus 6 plus b upon x plus 4. Now, what do I get from that? 2 equals to a times x plus 4 plus b times x minus 6. Plug in x equals to 6. You will be getting it out, a value as 1, and plug in x equals to negative 4. Then 2 equals to negative, rather than the factors would have been x plus 4, x minus 4 times x minus 6. So x minus 4, x minus 4. Over here also, it should be x minus 4. Then plug in x equals to positive 4. Then what are you going to get it out? You are going to get it out minus 2b. So which is b equals to negative 1. So what are my partial fractions? 2 upon x square, don't forget to write this step, 10x plus 24 equals to 1 upon x minus 6 minus 1 upon x minus 4. Part B, write x square minus 10x plus 25 as a perfect square. X square minus 10x plus 25 can be written as x minus 5 whole square. Next one is x square minus 10x plus 26 as x minus h whole square plus k. X square minus 10x plus 26 should be equals to x minus 5 whole square plus 1. Next, part D, integral of all the 3 questions. So, first question, D, part 1, integral of 2 upon x square minus 10x plus 24, which will be nothing but what? 1 upon x minus 6 minus 1 upon x minus 4 dx. So what does that becomes? Ln x minus 6 minus ln x minus 4 plus c. So it becomes ln of x minus 6 upon x minus 4 plus c. Then coming to part 2, D, part 2, integral of 2 upon x square minus 10x plus 25 dx. So what does it becomes? Integral of 2 upon x minus 5 whole square dx. So it becomes minus 2 upon x minus 5 plus c. Then part 3, integral of 2 upon x square minus 10x plus 26 dx. So it becomes integral of 2 upon x minus 5 whole square plus 1 square dx. So it becomes 2 times 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a, x minus 5 upon 1 plus c. That's going to be the answer. Coming to question number 5. So I bring out 1 upon 3 outside in the first part, and integral of e power 3x upon e power 2x mine plus 2e power x upon e power 2x plus 4 upon e power 2x dx. So 1 upon 3 it is integral of e power x plus 2e power negative x plus 4e power negative 2x dx. So what does that becomes? 1 upon 3 e power x integral is e power x, e power minus x integral is minus e power minus x, and it becomes minus 4 e power negative 2x upon 2 plus c. So my final simplified answer will be 1 upon 3 e power x minus 2 upon 3 e power negative x minus 2 upon 3 e power negative 2x plus c. This is going to be the answer for the part 1. Now coming to part 2. So for part 2, the question was 4 power x upon 2 power x is 2 power x. 2 power x upon 2 power x is 1 plus 2 power minus x. I separated that one into 3 different fractions. So 2 power x integral is 2 power x upon ln 2. 1 integral is x. Then 2 power minus x integral is minus 2 power x upon ln 2 plus c. This is the answer for the part 2. Question number 6. Integral of tan square x. Tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1 dx. What is secant square x integral? Tan x. Tan x minus x plus c. Now integral of cot square x. Cot square x can be written as cosecant square x minus 1 dx. So what is cosecant square x? Minus cot x minus x plus c. Question number 7. Integral of 3 outside 1 upon x square plus 3 square dx. So what will be the answer for that one? 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a plus c. 3 gets cancelled, so just tan inverse of x upon 3. Next, part 2. 3 outside 1 upon 3x whole square plus 1 square dx. So it becomes 3 times 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a times again 1 upon 3 plus c. So what am I going to get it out final answer? Tan inverse of 3x plus c. Question number 8. 3 outside 1 upon square root of 3 square minus x square dx. This is sine inverse. Sine inverse of x upon a plus c. Then again part 2, 3 outside 1 upon square root of 1 minus 3x whole square dx. So it becomes 3 sine inverse 3x upon 1 times 1 upon 3 plus c. So 3 cancels. So therefore the answer is going to be nothing but what? Just sine inverse of 3x plus c. Question number 9. 7 upon x minus 1 whole square plus 4. So 4 can be written as 2 square. So 7 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a plus c. That is first part. Coming to the second part. 7 outside 1 upon, it can be written as 2 bracket x minus 1 whole square plus 1. So 7 1 upon a tan inverse of 2 bracket x minus 1 divided by a times 1 upon 2 plus c. So my final answer is going to be 7 upon 2 tan inverse of 2x minus 2 plus c. Question number 10. This is again in the form of sine inverse. So this 4 can be written as 2 square. So 7 times sine inverse of x minus 1 upon 2 plus c. Then 7 outside 1 upon square root of 1 minus 2 bracket x minus 1 whole square dx. So it becomes 7 upon 2 sine inverse of 2x minus 2 upon 1 plus c. Question number 11. Find the integrals of a upon bx square plus c. How should I be doing it out? So I take a and b common, so it becomes x square plus c upon b dx. So what is that am I doing it out? Let me write it out neatly once again. Integral a upon b common, so it becomes x square plus c upon b. Now dx. So a upon b is outside, integral of 1 upon x square plus square root of c upon b whole square. So this is a upon b, 1 upon a, 1 upon square root of c by b times tan inverse of x upon a, square root of c by b plus c. So what does that becomes now? It becomes, directly I'm writing that answer, it becomes a by square root of bc. You have to do the simplification. I'm directly writing tan inverse of square root of b x upon square root of c plus c. That's going to be the answer for the first part. So let me squeeze it out over there so that I can do the second part also. That is the answer for the first part. Now we will do the second part. For the second part, what am I doing it on? Again, I can take b common. So a is outside, then 1 dx upon square root of, if at all I take b common, it becomes c upon b minus x square dx. So it becomes a upon square root b, then integral dx upon square root of c upon b whole square minus x square. So it is nothing but what? Sine inverse. So a upon square root b sine inverse x upon square root c by b plus c. This is going to be the answer. Next question, question number 12. Show that both are equal. So what am I going to do that? My left hand side is x square plus 3x plus 12 divided by x times x plus 2 whole square. And the denominator also on the right hand side is x times x plus 2 whole square equals to 3 times x plus 2 whole square minus 2 times x plus 2 minus 5 times x. Then x times x plus 2, x times x plus 2 whole square cancels. They are equal. Then now I have to simplify this one. So what does that becomes? 3x square. I'm directly writing plus 12x plus 12 minus 2x square minus 4x minus 5x upon, instead of cancelling, I can keep x times x plus 2 whole square. So you can clearly see that it is x square plus 3x plus 12 upon x times x plus 2 whole square. I have proved it out. Hence find the integral of this. So we have to find it out. Already the partial fractions has been done for us. So therefore I am doing the integral for that. So for part 2, so integral of x square plus 3x plus 12 divided by x times x plus 2 whole square dx equals to integral of 3 upon x minus 2 upon x plus 2 minus 5 upon x plus 2 whole square dx. So it becomes 3 ln x minus 2 ln of x plus 2 plus 5 upon x plus 2 plus c. This is going to be the answer. Question number 13. Calculate the integral of this. So first of all, 6 upon x square plus 6x plus 8 can be written as 6 upon x plus 2 times x plus 4. So what does that becomes? A upon x plus 2 plus b upon x plus 4. So 6 equals to a times x plus 4 plus b times x plus 2. So plug in x equals to negative 2 we will be getting it out 2a equals to 6, which gives me a equals to 3. Then x equals to negative 4, negative 2b equals to 6, so which gives me b equals to negative 3. So what will be the integral will become? Now integral will become 3 upon x plus 2 minus 3 upon x plus 4 dx. So it becomes 3 ln of x plus 2 minus 3 ln of x plus 4 plus c. So what does that becomes? 3 ln of x plus 2 upon x plus 4 plus c. This is going to be the answer. Question number 14. So it is 6 upon x plus 3 whole square plus 4. Instead of factorizing, we can't factorize it out. So therefore 6 upon x plus 3 whole square plus 4. So what does that becomes now? Integral of 6 upon x plus 3 whole square plus 2 square dx. So it is 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a plus c. So my final answer is going to be nothing but how much? It's going to be 3 tan inverse of x plus 3 upon 2 plus c. Now the next one, question number 15. We have to do the partial fractions for this. So x plus 6 upon, because we can factorize the denominator. Once I factorize the denominator, I will be doing it out the partial fractions. B upon x minus 2. So x plus 6 equals to a times x minus 2 plus b times x minus 4. So x equals to 4. So 10 equals to 2a, which implies a equals to 5. X equals to 2, 8 equals to negative 2b, it implies b equals to negative 4. So what will be the integral becomes now? Integral of 5 upon x minus 4 minus 4 upon x minus 2 dx. So what does that becomes? 5 ln x minus 4 minus 4 ln x minus 2 plus c. Next, question number 16. I cannot factorize it out. So rather than factorizing it out, what am I doing it out? If at all I factorize also, I cannot convert into partial fractions. So square root of, I'm directly writing it out over here, 16 minus x plus 3 whole square dx. So it is sine inverse 7 sine inverse of x plus 3 whole upon 4 plus c. So how should I do? Negative x square, negative 6x plus 7. Take negative common, x square plus 6x. Don't touch that 7. So minus x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 9 plus 7. So it becomes minus of, these three terms will become x plus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 7. Expand it out, minus x plus 3 whole square plus 9 plus 7, which becomes 16 minus x minus 3, 16 minus x plus 3 whole square. Question number 17. So by doing the cross multiplication, I get 3x square plus 4x plus 2 equals to a times x square minus 6x plus 8 plus bx plus c. Now comparing x square, 3x square equal to ax square equals to 3x square, so a equals to 3. Then comparing the x terms, 4 minus 6a and b. So 4 equals to negative 6a plus b. So 4 equals to negative 12 plus b. So what does that becomes now? A is 3, right? So it becomes 18 plus b. So b equals to nothing but how much? B equals to 22. Then comparing the constants, 2, 8a and c. 2 equals to 8a plus c. 2 equals to negative 24 plus c. So c equals to negative 22. So what will be the partial fractions now, or what will be the fraction becomes like or looks like? 3 plus 22x minus 22 divided by x square minus 6x plus 8. Now we have to do partial fractions for this particular term. So what should I do there? 22x minus 22 upon x square minus 6x plus 8 equals to a upon x minus 2 plus b upon x minus 4. So 22x minus 22 equals to a times x minus 4 plus b times x minus 2. Now x equals to 2, so 22 equals to negative 2a, implies a equals to negative 11, then x equals to 4, 66 equals to 2b, b equals to 33. So what will be the total integral? Will become integral of 3 plus 33 upon x minus 4 minus 11 upon x minus 2 dx. So it becomes 3x plus 33 ln x minus 4 minus 11 ln x minus 2 plus c. That's going to be the answer. Question number 18. Use a substitution u equals to tan x and proceed further. So if u equals to tan x, du equals to secant square x dx. So the first sum will become u power 5 du. So which becomes u power 6 upon 6 plus c, which is tan to the power of 6x upon 6 plus c. Second term, secant square x dx is du upon square root of u. So it becomes u to the power of 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2 plus c. So it becomes 2 square root of u plus c, which becomes 2 square root of tan x plus c. Then part 3, it becomes du upon e power u. So it becomes e power negative u du, which is nothing but what e power negative u upon negative 1 plus c. So which becomes minus e power tan x, negative tan x plus c. And finally, sine power 5 upon cos to the power of 7. Sine power 5x upon cos to the power of 7 can be written as cos to the power of 5x times cos to the power of 2x. So sine upon cos is tan. So it becomes tan to the power of 5x times secant square x dx. So it becomes again u to the power of 5 du. So it becomes u to the power of 6 upon 6 plus c. So what does it becomes? Tan x whole to the power of 6 upon 6 plus c. That's going to be the answer. Question number 19. So we have to learn this one formula. Derivative of denominator is present in the numerator, then ln denominator. So tan x can be written as sin x upon cos x dx. So is nothing but what? Derivative of denominator should be present in numerator. So minus is missing. Multiply by minus and minus. So it becomes minus ln cos x. Derivative of denominator should be present in numerator, whereas cot can be written as cos upon sin x. So it becomes ln sin x. Then this becomes ln x square plus 7 plus c. Now multiply and divide by 6. So it becomes 1 upon 6 ln 3x square plus 7 plus c. So multiply and divide by 9. So 1 upon 9 ln 3x cube plus 7 plus c. Now multiply and divide by 3x square derivative is 6x, 5x derivative is 5. So it is already there. So just directly ln of 3x square plus 5x plus 1 plus c. E power x derivative is e power x only. So it becomes ln of e power x plus 5 plus c. Now e power 2x derivative is 2 e power 2x. So 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 ln of e power 2x plus 5 plus c. Now find the indefinite integral by substitution u equals to e power x. So u equals to e power x. So du equals to e power x dx. So it becomes du upon u square plus 1. So it is 1 upon a tan inverse of u upon 1 plus c. So what does that becomes? Tan inverse of e power x plus c. Question number 21. 3x upon x plus 5. U equals to x plus 5. U equals to x plus 5. So du equals to dx. So 3 times x plus 5 is nothing, x is u minus 5. X plus 5 is u du. So what does that becomes? 3 minus 15 upon u du. So 3 integral is 3u minus 15 ln u plus c. So it becomes 3 times of x plus 5 minus 15 times of ln x plus 5 plus c. Next part, it becomes integral of x is u minus 5 upon square root of u du. So it becomes u upon square root of u is square root of u minus 5u to the power of negative 1 upon 2 du. So what does that becomes now? U power 3 upon 2 upon 3 upon 2 minus 5u power 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2 plus c. So what does that becomes? 2 upon 3. U is x plus 5 whole power 3 upon 2 minus 10 x plus 5 whole power 1 upon 2 plus c. Next one is x square upon part 3 integral of x square upon x plus 5 dx. X square can be written as u minus 5 whole square upon u du. So what does that becomes? U square minus 10u plus 25 divided by u du. So it becomes u minus 10 plus 25 upon u du. So it becomes u square upon 2 minus 10u plus 25 ln u plus c. So it becomes x plus 5 whole square upon 2 minus 10 times of x plus 5 plus 25 times of ln of x plus 5 plus c. That's going to be the answer.